Here's a 1974 Monte Carlo. This vehicle, the paint on it does show some patina, some nicks and scratches, obviously. This car is one that can be driven the way it is, or if somebody want to take it to the next level, bring it back a little bit. It's a good, solid car to do that with. If you check out the underside pics, the trunk, quite solid car. It's powered by a 350. Of course, small block Chev in there, paired with an automatic transmission. Get up on the hood so you can see, obviously, some of the nicks, and I'd call it a kind of a patinaed paint. There's some freckles in it. Just had a few nicks here and there. Chrome is decent on it. Car does run and drive fine. But like I said, if you wanted to take it to the next level or repaint it, put a little nicer paint job on it, some rims, it's a good solid car to do that. Check out the underside pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about. Underside pictures of this can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the pans. You'll see that they're scaly, we call it. And they're surface rust, but it's not rusted through. It's not rotted away. It's not full of holes. They are solid. Like I said, they show some scales and surface rust, but solid. Take a look at the interior. Driver's side seat is in nice condition. Dash is also in nice condition. Don't see a crack up on top of it or anything like so many of these you did. This would have been the original color, original interior. Obviously the Landau roof there. If you have any questions, like to call and inquire about the car, we can be reached at 507-386-1726 also. Like I said, check out the still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Filler panel has been cracked away, the passenger side of it. A crack all the way over in the driver's there, so we need that filler panel between the bumper and the trunk. One of the cool options on this car that it does have were the swivel bucket seats. If you remember those, I'll swivel when I get out after I start it up and show you how they work and how they look. Again, interior is just pretty much original in it. Headliner, everything's still up. Go ahead and fire this up here. Smooth running car. Starts right up, obviously. And there's your swivel bucket seats. I went to get out, turned it. A little tear in the driver's side one there. Take a look, and then we'll go back and get in and swivel it back into the driving position. Kind of cool. Again, give us a call, 507-386-1726 if you have any questions on this vehicle. Or like I said, feel free to check out any of the still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com.